Anyway, we'll start at 6.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're live.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
How are you today?
Not bad.
November 6th.
Every Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Yes.
6 p.m. Right? So, as we promised,
Yes.
today we're going to talk about silver.
Silver. Yes.
Guys, we will give you some recommendations to invest in silver.
Yes.
Some options to invest in silver.
So today our topic, you just said, how to invest silver with no risk.
With no risk.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when we talk about the invest, it's always be the risk, I think. People will worry about when I invest something, what's the risk and what's the return.
Yep.
And in the Forex market, it's for sure risk, high return, low risk, low return. And today we figure out a one way, maybe more than one way, we can invest silver with no risk. If you guys are interested, just follow us on our topic.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, we can see silver, even gold, of course, as a
we call it commodity, right?
Inflation hedge. I mean, we can protect our value from inflation.
Yes.
Also from the depreciation of currencies.
Yes.
Or what we call as well paper money.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Before we start, I have a question for you, Malone.
Oh, okay.
I saw news. It shows right now Chile has a big crisis. Yes.
Yeah. So what?
What's going on? I don't
Well,
really get it.
Yeah. So I will give a very neutral opinion about this.
Yes.
In Chile, more than 30 years, there have been different governments from different parties, different sides. Yeah. But people, normal people, let's say middle class people, after all these years, they're not that happy from those government policies or politics. So we can say Chile, maybe as Venezuela, two South American countries are very rich. We got a lot of natural resources, but normal people, even the countries growing, normal people, they're not getting this wealth.
Oh, I see.
So normal people will say in Chile, why some of us are getting really rich, but most of the people, nothing happened.
Still poor.
Right.
Not poor.
Not poor, but
no change.
No change.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's basically this.
Can we call it's called a red eye? And so people getting rich, and for me, I no change. It's called red eye, right?
Yeah.
Also, before our topic, we already talked about Venezuela.
Yep.
Argentina.
Yeah.
Run out
the
Chile.
crisis.
Yes. So
Maybe.
also Latin America country.
Yeah. Maybe it can be a future topic.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start.
Yes.
Ray, can you share with our friends about the history of silver?
Yes.
How Chinese see the history of silver?
According to Chinese history, we know the silver or even gold.
Yeah.
It's almost 4,000 years.
Wow.
It's a long time ago. And also, before that, we use gold, silver, and copper.
Oh.
3 kind of things.
Yeah.
Yes. So in China, I think silver was not first find with the metal, and in Chinese people we know a gold much better than the silver. So silver, we find it's almost I just said 4,000 years, and also the value of the silver used to be expensive than the gold.
Oh, used to be before.
Used to be
was more expensive.
Yes.
Than gold. Okay.
I think
Why?
right now.
Why do you think this happened in the past?
In the past, because we first find the gold first. We find the gold first.
You found the gold first.
Yes, and after that we find the silver.
Oh.
You know that when people find a new one,
Yeah.
it's more valuable.
Right. Especially when you know the properties of these precious metals.
Yes. And at that time, the value maybe it's like double than the gold price.
Oh,
yes.
That's very interesting. You know, I mean, many people, they just think gold is much more valuable than silver. And this is true in the charts.
Yes.
But if we forget about charts, money, currency, banks, We don't know.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe they're the same. They have similar properties.
Yes.
Maybe in the future, the silver price will surpass the gold price. We never know.
Yes. Yeah. And we just said about China, and we said about global. And according to the history, it's 1,780 to 1,580, around 200 years, almost 200 years.
Yeah.
BC, remember, it's BC, not
before
before that.
Christ, yeah.
And Egypt Empire.
Oh, Egypt.
According to their law, silver is the most expensive than gold, almost the double price.
Oh.
And until 17th century, in Japan, the gold and the silver, the price were equal.
Oh, I see. I
Yes.
see.
And now we know the gold is more expensive than silver.
Right.
Yeah, this is kind of the history, a little fun, because when I searched this kind of information, I was shocked.
Yeah,
yes.
It's true, it's
yes.
true. It's true, I mean, if you got shocked, I mean, you are a Forex expert.
Yes.
How about normal people?
No.
Who doesn't trade and you say, hey, in the past, silver were most expensive.
Yes.
That gold.
And also,
I
watched the news, maybe 100, maybe 100, and maybe more.
Okay.
You know the glass. Right now we use every building, every home.
Yeah.
And when 100 years ago, if in your home you have glass, which means you are rich people.
Oh, okay.
So right now, I think everyone can get a glass.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Yeah.
So it's kind of like for the age past or in the future time, maybe now we have something available in the future time. Maybe it's not kind of expensive.
Yeah, remember that money can be anything.
Yes.
This can be money.
Yes.
This was money in the past, even now.
Yeah.
Or this one. I mean, of course, these are fake coins. I'm so sorry. But let's say this is a gold coin and a silver coin.
And guys, see this one. It's called gold.
It's a gold bar.
It's a gold bar, right?
What's the weight of that one?
Weight. No. Yeah. 1,000 G. 1 kg.
1 kilogram.
Yeah, 1 kg.
So this is fake. I know. But it's very interesting. It has a 999.9.
Yeah, 4 nines.
That means it's almost 100 gold.
Yes.
Right? So we can say it's pure gold.
Pure gold, yes.
Very interesting. Okay, so now that you were talking about the glass, you just say, Ray just says, before in the past, when people has glass, glass, right?
Yes.
They're considered to be rich.
Rich, because it's like first class shoes of the world.
Yeah, so that's why I say money at the end is what we think.
Yes.
If this is valuable or not. Maybe this just a metal, like any metal. But what happens if next year everyone say, okay, this kind of metal will be very valuable, very expensive. Yeah, so we never know. Can be glass, gold.
Yeah, as long as people give something the value,
right?
It will be the.
Can be a stone.
Yes, everything.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we are talking about that, let's mention some industries where silver is used. Do you got some pictures of the industries? Remember we put some pictures here? No, right?
No.
Okay, so we got, let me mention some. Solar panels.
What does that mean?
Solar panels are panels that works from the solar energy.
Oh, I
see. So they absorb the solar energy. Do you got the picture?
Yeah.
All that, those.
Yeah, this one.
Solar panel. They use silver on those, let's say, panels.
Oh, I see.
So
it's collect the sun power, right?
The sun energy, right? So these kind of energy sources are becoming very popular.
Yes.
Very popular in the world. China, I saw some cities in China.
Not city.
Many houses use solar panel.
Maybe countryside.
Yeah.
Not city, because we have the high building.
Yeah.
It's only one panel. It's not enough for all building people.
Yeah, our friends have to understand that when Chinese this year say countryside, that's a city.
Yes. I see.
Yeah.
People everywhere.
When we say countryside, for example in Chile, we really talk about mountain, rivers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like. But for your countryside,
it's different culture.
Like roads, cities, banks, right?
Yeah, it's all the same. Yes.
Nice, okay. Yeah, solar panels, batteries, engines, 3D printing.
Or 3D printing.
Or 3D printers. Touch screen globes. Have you realized you need to put some globes to manage touch your phone?
Yes.
So those gloves also work with silver. Water purification. When you want to purify the water, this kind of stuff also use silver. Laundry, you want to say something?
No.
Laundry detergent, wood reservation, automotive industry. Very important.
Also, I know in your computer, motherboard.
Oh, motherboards.
Some part made by silver.
Yeah, so that's why we just show this is kind of an electric car.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. And explosives, weather modification, etc. Chemistry, arts and crafts, batteries, LED chips.
LED, yes.
There are so many, so many uses.
So which means silver can be used for
industry
in general. In general, yes.
And the demand of silver is growing a lot.
Yes.
I saw, especially in India, this country.
Yes.
Yeah, India. Okay.
So this is the reason maybe China and the US, they have the trade conflict.
Oh, conflict?
Yes.
Yeah.
So which means if for the global economic, it's not growing very well.
Yeah.
So the supply for the silver maybe the decline.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So let's talk about silver investment.
Yes.
Let's give our friends some options to invest in silver. How about?
Of course.
So the first one will be to invest in physical silver. Can be bullions, bars,
just like this one.
Coins.
250G, right?
Yeah, here we can see some coins, silver coins and bars.
Yes.
Also here. The one you can see here, guys, it's called
Eagle's coin, right?
Eagle, yeah.
Silver Eagle coin.
Right. Yeah, other people call like Liberty's coin.
Yes.
But it's the same.
Also, I remember they have the gold coin, right?
They also got it. And your country, China, got the very famous and popular Panda coin. Yeah, it's very nice.
Yes. And I saw many foreign people talking about China. Two things they will remember.
Panda?
First, Panda. Second one, Great Wall, right?
Great Wall.
Yes.
Yeah, or food. Yeah.
Also, we have a Great Wall silver coin, I think.
Can you teach us what's this building? Actually, I know, but you can still say it.
It's called Tiantan.
Tiantan?
That's very difficult.
You can teach us Chinese next time.
Yes.
Tiantan.
Yes, it's kind of temple.
Where is this building and what represents?
In Beijing. It represents like some the king in the past.
Yeah.
They will ask the God.
Oh.
They ask the God to no earthquake, no deserts.
So this is not the heaven temple?
No.
Different.
It's different.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So as you can see, in one side you got this temple. It's a temple, right?
Yes, temple.
And the panda. Okay, so for the panda's silver coin, the panda image every year will change.
Yes.
Yeah. And this coin also got a premium price.
Yes.
So let's say most of the coins are, for example, $20. But panda coin will be a little more expensive.
Yes.
Because of this premium price.
Yes.
But I did my research and I realized that you guys no need to be that worried about this premium price because at the moment you sell this, this premium price will also be there.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
You have the minimum price here.
It's very interesting. They're doing very well with this panda coin. It's becoming very popular.
Yes.
Very nice stuff.
And also, for the silver coin, it's not that expensive.
Not that expensive. Right? Now, silver, 1 ounce of silver is around between $17 and $18. I think today is 17.4?
5.
Okay.
Yeah, 17.5.
Right. Yeah. I think it's also a very good moment to buy some silver coins, right?
And we will talk about it later.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, if you want to buy these coins, can be coins or bars, even bullets.
Yes.
Also. Let's see some advantages. Of course, it's easy to buy and hold or transport.
Or storage.
Or storage. It gives you a peace of mind.
Yes.
Why? Because you can really see your money, or let's say value.
Yes.
Your value is not at the bank. It's not in the bank. Yes. It's not in any mutual funds, bonds, stocks. No.
It's also maybe for the personal hobby. You collect every year. You saw a different panda.
All right. Yes, what you mean, like some people, they don't see this just as an investment, also as a hobby, right? Yeah. And it's also very cool, I think, to hold coins. Yeah, but if you hold coins like silver coins, guys, try to don't tell everyone.
Just keep it secret.
Yeah. Okay. Disadvantages, they are more costly. As I said before, for example, this panda coin has a premium price inside. Yes. Of course, the possibility of theft. Someone stole your coins. And also, if you want to storage these coins, doesn't matter if it's gold or silver, you will probably have to invest in this storage. Yeah, some people still storage in banks, but that's not cheap.
Yes, for sure. And I think another disadvantage is the coin did not give you the interest rate.
Yeah,
right?
What we call yield. You're right. You're right. Okay, so the next option maybe we can change the picture. ETFs, futures, and options. Yes. Do you want to say this one?
We call it this kind of for the paper silver or paper gold. It's the same meaning. Yeah. And which means when you go to the bank, open an account, and you can buy or sell silver with a digital recorder. You never get the physical silver. Yes. And the ETF, I think it's kind of the stock. You invest the ETF, they will collect all people's money to buy the silver, sell with a high price, buy with a low price. Also ETF, you just not just for talking about the money, you also can invest the silver. You can invest the money, you can invest the silver, put in the ETF stock, and they will management that.
Okay, so basically ETFs, what we call exchange traded funds, ETFs, they will follow. It's a very easy way to follow the price movements of this commodity. Can be silver, gold, platinum, etc., etc. Right?
If you invest the silver in ETF, they only invest the silver.
I see. That's very interesting.
Yes. And the world's largest silver ETF called iShare. What's the name? iShare Silver Trust.
Silver Trust.
Yes.
Oh, you mean that's the most famous one, or what?
The biggest one. Biggest ETF, silver ETF in United States.
Okay. That's very nice.
And also, when we heard about the ETF, like buy the silver or sell the silver, they did that. And also, if you guys want to know the price for the silver changed, we need to pay attention for this kind of company do some action. If they buy a lot of silver at previous time, the silver price may go up because they invest the silver. And also we saw the news, they sell lots of the silver. maybe the price in short term will going down.
Right.
Yes.
That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, and the next option will be stocks and I don't think we had the picture. Oh, sorry.
This one.
Stocks and funds.
Yeah, funds.
As we said before, some companies will produce, distribute silver.
Yes.
Right. It can be silver mining, just as a gold mining, right? So you can buy these companies' stocks.
Yes.
So here you can get two, let's say, revenues. The first one is from the commodity itself, silver, and the second one, of course, what all a stock gives you. For example, dividends,
the
bonus dividends, and so it's like a double fight. I think, for example, if silver is doing well and the price is going up, then you can benefit from that. But also, you can benefit when this company is growing.
Yes.
It's producing more, they are hiring more, etc., etc. So also this stock value, stock price will go up.
Yes. Not bad. Sounds not bad.
Not bad, right? Okay. And mutual funds, etc., etc. Okay. So next, we just explain what is paper silver, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You just mentioned silver certificates.
Yes.
Right? It's also a part of paper silver.
Yes.
And the next option is FX.
FX.
Yeah.
For the foreign market, it's not only the currency pair, we have the commodity.
Yeah.
Gold,
CFDs.
silver, maybe some companies they offer copper.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about CBT markets, our company?
Yeah, we offer the gold and the silver.
Silver,
yeah.
yeah.
And when people like talk about trade with the commodity, we usually talking about gold and the silver.
Yeah, but we offer this as a pair.
It's pair.
Comparing with dollar,
with
right?
the USD.
Yeah, USD. It's also very safe, especially in crisis, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And for now price, it's kind of safe.
Yeah. Okay.
But one thing is, you guys need to remember, when we do the trade for the foreign country company, it's always has a leverage.
Oh, leverage.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's explain leverage. Maybe some people, they don't know what is leverage.
It's leverage.
I can say in simple words, leverage is the ability to turn something small.
Yes.
So basically it's to put no supply.
No, I mean low supply with no demand, no change. The price will increase.
Yeah.
Because supply decreased.
Right.
I think it's classic for the microeconomic.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, we know right now for silver stock, we have 13.74 million tons over the world, and the number increase 2% every year, which means lots of like a company, industries, they just dig the mile. So the number will increase 2% every year. So this is the first for the supply. And the second supply is when we get more and more silver, the price may going down a little bit.
Yep.
And the third one, it's very important one. Right now we're talking about the production cost.
Oh, yeah. It's true.
Right now it's almost $25 for each ounce.
25.
25.
For each ounce.
Right now,
why it's so high?
You just said it's 17.5 for the market price, right?
17.
17.5.
Yeah, 17.5.
And the production cost will be the 25. So right now, it's good time.
Let's say it's very expensive for companies to extract or produce silver.
Yes.
Very expensive.
Yes.
So as Ray said, because of this, what will happen with the supply?
What you mean?
The supply, it will not grow that much, right?
Yes.
Let's say it will get in stock.
Yes. You guys just thinking about when your production cost higher than the market price.
Yeah.
What you will do?
price, boom.
No.
No?
The market price is lower than your production cost.
Oh, market price
you
lower.
will stop to dig it.
Yeah,
right?
stop producing.
Stop producing. So when you stop producing, the supply will decrease, right?
Yeah.
And the price in the future time will increase. This is the logic, right?
Yeah, that's the logic.
And also for the supply reason, we need see maybe the country or military, like some war happened, some like earthquake, something like that. We need
in war times, for sure, the demand of silver will increase, right?
Demand, yes, of course.
Yeah. And probably, if we really got silver, the production of silver will increase.
Yes, of course.
If there is silver outside, of course.
Because you can sell more.
Yeah.
For the last reason for the supply, for the central bank, sometimes they will buy or sell the silver.
Yeah, that's what I want to ask you, and we can share with our friends. Why central banks all the time they're buying and selling silver and gold? Why?
First of all, silver, gold, this kind of commodity, they don't have the, like it's called the interest rate, right?
They don't have the, what do you mean? The yield.
The yield, yes.
Yeah, if you invest today in this coin, 100 more years will be the same.
Yes.
That's like this.
And also, for the bank, they need make the money, right?
Yeah.
So they will decide when the price in the market is higher, they're going to sell it. And until the price drops and the lower price, they just buy it.
So they manage.
With the total amount, no change. But we sell in the high price, buy with the low price, we can make the gap. We can make the money.
So we can say that the Fed, central banks, they try also to control the silver and gold price, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
This is the main reason for the supply and also for the demand. Right now, just Malung said, a lot of industry they use the silver. It's not only the industry for the accessory company.
Oh, you mean like jewelry?
Yes.
Okay. No, you mean ring.
We know the Buckley and like Tiffany
bracelet.
Yes.
Yeah. I can explain this in one phrase.
Yes.
Gold is for the king.
Yes.
Silver is for the rich.
For the rich.
So, what does it mean? Silver price right now is very low comparing to gold.
Yes.
So, for example, normal people, let's say the rich, or the people who want to be rich, let's say like this, it's very easy for them, or it's easier to invest in silver than gold.
Yes, of course.
I mean, come on, if we talk about renminbi,
you can spare less money.
1 ounce of gold is a small coin of gold, would be like 3,000 RMB.
Yes.
That's a lot. How much is that US dollars? 3,000 RMB.
Right now?
Yeah.
1 ounce?
No, 3,000 RMB.
RMB.
Dollars, if you convert this.
450?
Okay, 450 or $500.
Less than 500.
And it's just a small coin.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so gold is for the king, silver is for the rich. So guys, if you really want to invest in precious metals, of course you can still invest in gold.
Yes, of course.
It's all about the strategy. But silver can be a cheaper option.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. This is all for the supply and the demand.
Very interesting. Okay, so we mentioned also the technology, right? We can say that the silver price moves directly and indirectly with the technology.
Yes, of course.
Right. As more technology, as we more produce technology, also demand of silver will increase.
Yes.
And the
also,
price will
of
increase.
course, right now we have lots of high technology.
Yeah.
So with lots of silver, gold.
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly. Okay. Very important. Inflation. You want to explain this one?
Of course. And also
how inflation affects silver.
First of all, we need to talk about the USD because we are talking about. We recommend, not I recommend, would recommend what's the price for the silver and the gold, say exchanged by the US dollar.
Yeah.
Which means when the US dollar goes increased, for the silver price will decrease.
Decrease. That's the opposite.
For sure.
Same as gold.
Same as gold, it's for sure. And if we are talking about the USD, it's a lot of things will affect the USD, go increase or decrease.
Yeah.
For the inflation, first of all, now I think for every country we use the paper money, right?
Yeah.
But it's already happened in few countries. They have the inflation. Venezuela, Argentina, maybe Chile will be next. Latin America country.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm selling my stocks.
When you find your paper money is not worth anymore, what kind of like replacement material you will choose? First of all, we will think about the gold.
Precious
And
metals.
also, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Also,
Bitcoins as well. Many people they will buy bitcoins
maybe.
in that case.
But the question is, not every people trust Bitcoin. But I think for the gold or silver, I cannot say everyone, but most people will trust them.
Yeah, if there is a crisis, let's say all the banks are closed.
Yes.
The paper money you can even use it for as a toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
For anything.
Yes.
And so what you got? Let's say you got gold and silver. So
you can
find someone
Yes.
who will probably will
at least you can survive. You can
exchange.
You can exchange or trade with some food,
Right,
bread, milk, water.
That's the thing.
Yes.
You will find someone for sure. If not in your country, you can make the effort to go outside and find it there.
Yes.
So you will find for sure.
Also, I think most countries have the black market.
And the black market.
Yes. So when the inflation happened, for the demand, gold or silver will increased.
Yeah.
Also, other things maybe for the interest rate. We are talking about the USD. When the interest rate changed, it also will affect the gold price
and the silver price.
Yes. So it's a very
as more
important
interest
thing.
rates,
Yes.
I think foreign investment will be also higher. More foreign investment, then the price of the dollar will be increase, right? Will increase. So the silver price will decrease.
Yes.
So it's the opposite.
Yes.
Way, right? Oh no, sorry. It's the same way.
The
right?
same way.
The same way.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, that's interest rate.
Yes.
Okay, that's very interesting.
Yes.
I think. Then we got the gold prices.
Yes, of course. They are commodity.
There is a historical relationship between the price of gold and silver. We can say that silver price will follow the gold price.
Now, yes.
But guys, be careful because through history there are some exceptions.
Yes.
So just be careful with this logic.
Yes. But right now, it's same direction.
Yeah, yeah. Most of the time will be like that. And of course, government policies,
yes,
etc., etc. Okay, so let's see. Do we have more pictures to share here? Okay, guys, what will happen with the silver price in the future?
In the future, I think it will getting higher and higher.
Yeah,
that's for sure, because the demand and the supply, and also the inflation. I think it's very important things for the inflation, because now we know every country say just produce or print money more and more.
Yeah.
It will cost a higher inflation, even in United States.
Right.
And also we know for the last month, European Central Bank, they just print money again.
Yeah. Yeah, so what I think is, first, silver is a hard asset. That's very good. Then we got the factor of the devaluation of paper money.
Yes.
Right? So people would start protecting from that.
Yes, of course.
Also the economy is being the biggest, it's happening now, the biggest bubble it ever has been.
Yes.
Maybe most of the people, they haven't realized, but we live in a financial bubble.
Yes.
This year, today. So also we need to protect from this.
Yes.
And of course, the huge debt that many countries has. Let me give you two examples. Japan. States.
Yes, States.
How about Greece?
Greece, for sure.
Right, and many countries, not just those. So the important thing is we shouldn't forget about investment that can give us more return in the short term, such as Forex, stocks, etc., etc. So metals don't really help sometimes to build health, but it's a very good way to protect.
Yes.
Protect our health. So, wealth. Sorry. Wealth. Okay. So this the first chart shows the price of silver in the last 6 months. So as we said before, the last price was around $17.61 US. Yesterday was around 18, so it's getting lower.
Yes.
Today we will see what happens tomorrow.
17.5. Yes.
The next chart shows 10 years,
10 years
of you got it, of silver prices. So as you can see, guys, if you realize 10,010, the price was around
11, yeah. 40.
10,010.
49.86. It's almost $50.
Oh, no. 10,010 here. The price was around 18, right?
Oh, yes.
Moving around 18.
Yes.
Then after that, and I will pass you this one. There is a huge increase.
Yes.
So Ray, you can explain why?
Because like American economic crash, and they passed to the European. After that, and the gold price recorded to the highest number, and also the silver price recorded to the highest price. It's almost 50.
40, 47 something.
49.68.
Wow, that's very high.
Yes.
Then it went down gradually.
And also we need to remember the lowest price recorded in history. In 1990.
Oh, long time ago.
Yes. It's 3.5 USD.
But it's never zero.
It's never zero. It's for sure.
That's very interesting. Yeah. So, but anyway, if we forget about this increase in 2011, you can realize, guys, that the price is always around. I mean, these 10 years it's
kind of stable.
It's stable.
Yes.
That's what I want to say.
Yes.
So at the end, that's why people still think,
of course,
this is a very safe and low risk investment, and even more than investment, a way to storage your value, right?
When you invest a stock, within the 10 years, it's maybe go up or maybe go down.
It can be zero.
It can be zero.
Yeah.
Yes. If you just keep the currency, it's inflation. It's like the purchasing power decrease a lot. But for the commodity, for the gold and the silver, the price is almost no change. It's keep your value, keep our wealth. I think.
Exactly. So the third chart. Do you got the last one?
Oh yes.
All history. 1990.
Yes.
It was less than $10.
Yes.
So something happened after 2004. It began to increase.
Yes.
Okay, some experts said that it's coming a boom.
Yes.
In silver price. It will explode. That means it will increase a lot.
Yes.
In the near future.
Yes.
But they don't know when of course. But we got some facts. For example, the supply of silver, the extraction for big companies like mining companies.
Yes.
It's getting stuck.
Yes.
Right now. It's not increasing like before.
Yes.
So that means the supply will be the same, or will be around the scope we got before. So that will produce that the price will increase.
Yes.
And also we got, on the other hand, the increasing of the demand of silver. As we know, if we got more demand, the price goes up. Goes up, right?
Yes.
So maybe, in this my opinion, I think these days is a very good way to storage value and a long-term investment to invest in silver. Yeah.
When we talk about the investment, first of all, be safe, right?
Be safe. Yeah. What's your opinion, Ray?
Yes.
What do you think will happen in the future?
In the future time, it's for sure the silver price will goes up, but how higher we don't know yet.
We don't know.
It will record a new highest point maybe in the future time.
Yeah, right.
It depends on how American do it. Because when I do some analysis, I find some bad things. It's maybe happened again in the United States. Because right now,
what do you mean with bad things? Like
world economic slowing down.
Yeah.
Right. And in the future time, maybe people will no longer trust US dollar. This is a serious problem. Because USD print too much money over the world.
Wow. Wow. So, yeah, that's also very interesting. I mean, central banks, they do what they want.
Yes, of course.
With the money, with money, right?
Yes.
So that's another reason why people started investing in commodities.
Yes.
Right, silver, gold. Also, people want to protect their value from banks.
Yes.
For example, in Chile,
yes.
We were talking about the crisis. Many people in Chile, they don't even trust banks.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, for sure, those people will start investing in silver or gold.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
How about in China?
Chinese people.
That's a very difficult question.
Yeah, trust a bank.
Yeah.
And they think a bank in China will never broke up.
Yeah.
Because the government will protect them.
And some banks in China are one of the biggest companies in the world right now.
Yeah. If you guys are interested, you can check like the first 500 big company of the world. Yeah. Right now, I think it's more than 100 company with Chinese company.
Yeah. That's very interesting.
And the last time we talked about like Sinopec.
Sinopec.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you're right.
Bank of China, ICBC.
That's a gas company, right?
Company. For a bank, like a Bank of China.
Yeah.
ICBC.
ICBC.
Yes.
I got a coin.
Oh.
Yeah,
really?
I supposed to get the coin for today, guys, but it hasn't arrived.
Received it, right?
It hasn't arrived, but
maybe you can bring to next video.
Yeah, sure. I got the Panda silver coin.
Silver coin.
ICBC Bank.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, in my opinion, right now is kind of good time to invest silver.
Yeah. Yeah. Silver is for the rich. Oh no, sorry. Gold is for the king. Silver is for the rich. Maybe we can follow this strategy. Okay. Do you got any final opinion or?
Yes. If you guys are interested with like invest, we talk about lots of safe like way to invest silver.
Yeah.
And also, if you want to take a little bit of risk, you can try our CPT markets and open your account, do the silver trade.
Silver trade. Yes. Digital trading. You can trade online.
Yes.
By visiting cptmarkets.com.
Yes.
Ray, you just got a chart.
No.
A chart there.
No.
Oh, it's not there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so Ray wants to show us something, no?
Yeah, you just see like the chart with the silver USD.
Is the chart there?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
The silver USD.
Yeah.
And now we see the price is almost flat, but it's no longer where in the short time maybe the price will go up again because the highest price where I mentioned is around $50 and it's too long for the lowest price recorded.
Yeah.
But right now it's under maybe 18 or $20.
Yeah. Under
So
20.
we see the range, the high and the lower. Right now it's below the average. So when the price below the average, which means it's time to invest with a good future.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice recommendation.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. So do you want to add something else?
Yeah, it's almost there. It's not too difficult to like invest gold or silver because they have the value there. Yeah. In my opinion, if you guys want to invest gold or silver, just find the low price or below the average price.
Right.
Just buy it and keep it. In the future time, it's for sure you will make the money.
Yeah, we can consider that it's a very safe investment or more than investment, storage or value.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So let's finish with this.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching and see you next
Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.